What's up everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Alma Rivera. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lashes. Now I know a lot of people think this is probably the easiest thing in the world, but it is not. I think it took me like several weeks to actually get down like flawlessly how I want my lashes to be applied on my eyes. I cannot tell you how many times I messed it up. I did not know how. I had no one to teach me. I didn't really look it up on YouTube, which I should have, but now that I kind of know exactly what I'm doing, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you guys how I apply them. As you can see, I have no lashes on. I did the rest of my makeup very natural, just so I can focus on the false lashes. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply mascara on my natural lashes. And I'm going to be using the LA Girl Flashy Big and Bold Mascara. I'm going to be applying this to the bottom half of my lashes, not the tips, because I don't want them very bulky. I just want to give them color so they can blend in with the falsies. Since I'm already here, I'm going to apply a little bit on the bottom of my lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are from Forever Luxe Lashes. And these are in style Untamed. Now these are unopened. I have not used these yet because I want to show you exactly what you need to do once you have brand new lashes. If this opens. This is hard. Why is this so hard opening lashes? I think because I got these little nails. Alright, so a very important thing that I like to do is I like to keep the packaging, so I don't like to rip the box open. I like to just open it gently and then separate the plastic apart, keep it intact. So these are what the lashes look like. Big, bold, dramatic. It's the way I like them. Now I do like to handle my lashes with care, so I use this tool. Is from Kiss. It's called INB by Kiss. This helps me apply my lashes very easily. So what I'm gonna be doing is grabbing the tip of the lash right here from the corner, and I'm gonna be slowly taking it off the plastic little by little. So now that I have the lash out of the packaging, I'm gonna try it on because it already has a little bit of glue on there, as you can see. I'm gonna try it on my eye to see how it fits. I'm gonna take my tool and I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the lashes like this. Okay, just squeeze it to hold it in place. Let me get my mirror. So what I'm gonna do is place the lash right over my lid like that, and then just with my fingers I'm gonna kind of place it and see if it's the right size, if it's a little too big for my eye, which usually they are because my eye is very tiny. Okay, so I kind of estimated approximately gonna cut off one of these thick strands of lashes. I'm going to be cutting it with these little eyebrow scissors. And I'm going to mark it up right there with my fingers. And I'm going to cut it. I'm trying to do this as careful as possible because these scissors do not work as they once used to. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to try my eyelash again just to make sure it's the right size. Whoops. And it looks like it's just about the right size. The next step is to apply the glue. I'm going to be using the Duo Glue, and it's the white bottle with green writing, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can see the tip. It's not the squeezable one. You see it kind of has like this little brush to it. I love to use this one. I feel like it works the best. So how I'm going to apply the glue is gonna be on the lash line right here. See where you can see it. I'm not gonna apply the glue with a thin little line, and I'm gonna do it tacky, just so it could be nice and bulky. That's what makes the lash stay on longer. My lashes last all day. I do not have to reapply glue at all. So this is the best trick that helps me. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. This glue turns blue when it's ready to apply. And I'm gonna place the applicator right in the middle of the lash. I'm gonna hold it down and I'm gonna apply it right in the center over my eye. Okay, there you go. Then I like to go in with my fingers or the applicator, it doesn't matter, whatever you feel more comfortable with, and adjust it. If you're comfortable with the placement, just go ahead and let it dry down. Okay, now I'm cutting the other lash. And now putting on my lash glue. Okay. Put my applicator right in the middle of the lash. And just let it dry down again. Okay, and that is it. I hope you found this video helpful, and just make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!